First, I'm going to start with a quick overview of how the process works, and then after that I will go into more detail about how the spreadsheet actually works. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to Amazon and find the item you want to sell. Once you've found the item, you will copy the entire URL and make a note of the price. You'll then paste this URL into the Excel spreadsheet, press tab, and enter the original price. Next, you will pick your desired profit, which in this case I'd like to make $20. This will give you your listing price to enter into eBay. Now you can go ahead and open up eBay and enter all the following information. You're going to need your title, photos, the description, and then you want to match the buy it now price with the listing price. You'll also need to enter in all this information and then click list your item. And that is a quick overview of how to dropship from Amazon to eBay. Now I'll explain into more detail how the Excel spreadsheet works. First, I will go ahead and explain what the different colors are. The green is the information that you will need from Amazon. The yellow is all of the fees, and in the red will be everything that is automatically pulled in. To pull in the information, you will click the update button or hit Ctrl-Shift-U. Now as you can see, this pulled in the live price and the profit if unchanged. Say that the live price is changed from the original price, this will calculate the profit change and how much you will make if you don't do any edits. The hide/unhide button, which can be activated with Ctrl-Shift-H, will display all of the fees incorporated with dropshipping. Most of these I've already entered in. This is the sales tax, which is just incorporated into the price. This is the 10% eBay fee, as well as the 2.9% PayPal fee, and then the 30 cents that PayPal charges per transaction. I've went ahead and entered all of these for you and made it easy to where all you will need to do is change your desired profit. So you can go ahead and hide this again with Ctrl-Shift-H and continue with the tutorial. Now I will explain why keeping track of your prices is important, and I'll go ahead and use the same item as an example. Say we have the same item, but the original price was $49.99. We still want to make our $20. Go ahead and click update. And now as you can see, if we don't change this listing, we're going to lose $20. This Excel spreadsheet will also email you a notification saying that you are going to lose some money. If you look in here, it'll tell you the item, it'll tell you how much it has changed, and it will tell you how much you're going to lose if you don't change the item. To change these settings, we will go to the Settings tab here in the bottom. This is where you can enter the email address where you would like to receive the updates, the subject, the amount that will trigger the email, and then the interval that you would like this to automatically update. The emails will be sent using Outlook, and I find it easier just to create a new Outlook email than it is to try to link this to your existing email address. The link to purchase this Excel spreadsheet can be found below in the description, and you can also ask me any questions by email or by comments.